So what do we use for low-level laser treatment for autism? Well, there's recommendations we give. So initially we'll start with an aberrant behavior checklist, and this is a way to measure the behavior in a way that we can quantify and really come back later and see, did we see changes um, that are significant. This treatment, we use the Erconia 635 nanometer pulse laser. So there's two different ones we may use. We may use both of these with a total of 3 heads. So we have 2 heads on this one, putting out the red light, and this one puts out both red and violet, 635 and 410. So we'll put it on for 8 to 10 minutes, or 8 sessions. We'll do 5 to 10 minutes. Light application to the base of the skull and the temporal areas. So this was what was shown in the research to be helpful. But we'll go further because we know that the orbitofrontal and the dorsolateral prefrontal areas are both very significant, along with the temporal and cerebellar. And so we often double the time from 5 to 10 minutes so we can get even more benefit. We often include third laser application so we can get all those areas of the brain. And then we also, research has shown using QEEG, the electrical activity in the brain, that when you do multiple areas, then you start to develop an interaction between those 2 areas. Instead of just activating them, you get an interaction, which is even better because those networks, those connectedness, right? That's what we want in all of our brains. We want a good connection. That's really what makes it work well. All right, 8 sessions across a 4-week period, 2 applications per week, 3 to 4 days apart, typically, right? Using the aberrant behavior checklist, again, for a post-assessment. And then supplemental treatment, research is ongoing about when more treatment is no longer providing a benefit. So, we got something in my eye. So at what point do we stop? Well, we stop when we're stopping getting improvement. But certainly the research showed this was helpful, so we do that. Do we do another session, another series? Sometimes we do. So it's as long as we're getting improvement, let's keep going. But we don't know exactly what the threshold is, and it'll probably be different for different people. And then we also consider nutritional work and other neurodevelopmental exercises. But as far as the laser, this is it. All right, have a great day. Give us a call if you have any questions.